Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for April 28th, 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. To start off, we will first take a look at how Nifty moved today. Nifty opened slightly in the red before recovering mildly and then correcting to lower levels as it traded within a range with a negative bias. The NSE index closed lower by 0.40% or 97 points to end at 23,995.70, below the key psychological level at 24,000. Weak global cues, geopolitical tensions, elevated crude oil prices, profit booking on expiry and FII selling were the major reasons for the correction seen today. Today's correction was led by banking, while the oil and gas sector saw good gains due to the uptick in crude oil prices. The banking correction was due to RBI's new ECL framework that mandated a shift from the traditional incurred loss model to a forward-looking approach for asset classification. Volatility also dipped mildly. After the correction seen today, levels need to be readjusted, with new supports being at 23,940, followed by 23,820, while resistances will be at 24,100, followed by 24,285. For tomorrow, Nifty can be expected to consolidate within a range with a negative bias due to elevated crude oil prices. Strong external cues could act as support and limit downside for now, but any extended rally in crude will overpower said support. Nifty can be expected to show bullishness above 24,660, while bearish sentiment will be further exaggerated below 23,555. Now, let us move on to Sensex. The BSE index underperformed as compared to Nifty and fell by 0.54% or 417 points to close at 76,887. Since Sensex closed above its support mentioned yesterday, levels can be kept unchanged. Supports will remain at 76,920, followed by 76,465, while resistances will also remain at 77,405, followed by 78,020. Sensex will be bullish above 79,360 and bearish below 75,870. Next, let us check levels for crude oil. Crude oil prices are still bullish as there has been no clarity in the West Asia conflict, with the markets awaiting a reply from US to Iran's proposal to end the same. Volatility remains elevated at the counter, and any fresh updates from the Middle East could cause wild price swings. After the recent rally, levels may be adjusted upwards, with new supports being at 9,340, followed by 9,170, while resistances will be at 9,535, followed by 9,670. Bullish momentum can be expected to continue unless there are any new developments that lead to calming the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Any negative developments, however, will give stronger momentum to the current bullish sentiment. The energy counter can be expected to trade with a positive bias as long as it remains above 8,880, while the bears may take charge only if 8,440 is broken on the downside. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Infobeans Technologies shares jumped around 8% after the company launched its AI-native QA automation agent, RAI. The move, along with its Q4 FY26 results, boosted investor sentiment around its AI capabilities and growth outlook. Piramal Finance surged nearly 7% to hit an all-time high after reporting a strong Q4 performance. Net profit skyrocketed 390% year-on-year to 502 crore rupees, reflecting sharp improvement in profitability. AGI Greenpac shares rallied over 18% after the company posted solid Q4 numbers. Profit rose 61% quarter-on-quarter, while revenue grew 17%, signaling strong operational performance. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that a free webinar on the topic Profit Booking Tricks, Moving Average for Profit in Option Trading will be conducted this Saturday at 12 p.m. Do check the description for the webinar link. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.